Looking for a Bellicon discount code for the new year 2025? You're in the right place. We've got the exclusive holiday deals that'll save you money on your next Bellicon purchase. But hold on, there's more you need to know to make the most of this limited time New Year offer. Stick around, because you won't want to miss what's coming up. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the best trampoline deals and tips. Hit that subscribe button now. Now, let's get into it. Bellicon has just released their latest discount code, right after Christmas 2024. If you missed out on the Christmas deals, don't worry. This New Year discount is your second chance. This discount is perfect for your holiday shopping. But here's the catch. You need to act fast. Why? Because Bellicon crafts your rebounder to your exact specifications. From choosing the frame, bungee strengths to the color, it's all up to you. Each unit is uniquely assembled in Germany. If you're located far away, shipping can take up to 3 weeks or even more. So, to have your gift ready for the new year, you need to place your order as soon as possible. The discount code is SALE IRS 10, valid from December 27th, 2024 at 12 a.m. until January 5th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. This Happy New Year 2025 offer gives you a full 10% off. We also offer free shipping on all Bellicon self-assembly models. Plus, with a minimum purchase in selected countries, you get even more perks. Imagine starting the new year with a top-of-the-line Bellicon rebounder. Rebounding is not just fun, it's also fantastic for your health. It improves lymphatic circulation, boosts your immune system, and is gentle on your joints. But maybe you're thinking, is it really worth it? Absolutely. Bellicon is renowned for quality and durability. And with this New Year discount, there's no better time to invest. Don't forget to visit our website. You'll find all the details there and much more. We regularly offer exclusive discounts. Just subscribe to our mailing list and you'll never miss out. The link is in the description below. If you're finding this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Before we wrap up, here's something you won't want to miss. Ever wondered how Bellicon compares to other rebounders? We've got detailed comparisons coming up next. Check out our video, Fit Bounce Pro vs. Bellicon, which rebounder is best? It will help you make the most informed decision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing deals. See you in the next video.